In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the OpenArt Error 500 quickly and safely. This error can happen when OpenArt detects a VPN or proxy connection, when your browser is using outdated cached files, or when your login session and local network settings become stuck. We'll start with the fastest browser fixes, then move on to a complete Windows network reset if the problem continues. If this guide helps you, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more software troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing to check is whether you're using a VPN or proxy. OpenArt uses strict risk and security controls, and some VPN or proxy IP addresses may be flagged. When that happens, OpenArt can immediately return an error 500 instead of loading normally. Completely disable your VPN, proxy, or similar privacy routing tool. Don't just disconnect one browser extension while leaving a system-wide VPN active. Make sure the connection is fully turned off, then refresh OpenArt and test the page again. If the error is still showing, perform a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. This forces the browser to reload OpenArt without relying on the existing cached version of the page. Wait for the page to reload fully, and then check whether the error has disappeared. A hard refresh is especially useful after OpenArt has updated its website, or when an old cached file is conflicting with the current version. The next quick fix is to log in again. First, log out of your OpenArt account. After logging out, close the OpenArt browser tab completely. Open a new tab, visit OpenArt again, and sign back in. This clears stale session tokens that may be preventing the service from properly authenticating your account. Once you're logged in, try loading the page or repeating the action that originally caused the error 500. If none of those steps work, it's time to reset your PC's network configuration. This process clears local DNS information, refreshes your IP address, and resets the Windows WinSock network layer. Before continuing, save any important work and close applications that rely on an internet connection. Start by opening Command Prompt. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. For the commands in this guide, regular command prompt may work, but if Windows reports a permissions error, right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. Now enter the reset commands one at a time. After typing each command, press Enter and wait for it to finish before entering the next one. First, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your computer's local DNS cache, which may contain an outdated or incorrect address for OpenArt. Next, type ipconfig/release and press Enter. This drops your current IP address from the network adapter. Your internet connection may briefly disconnect, and that is normal. After that, type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. This asks your network to provide a fresh IP address. Wait until the command completes before continuing. Finally, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows WinSock catalog, which controls how applications communicate with network services. If Windows tells you that the reset completed successfully and the restart is required, that means the command worked as expected. Now restart your PC. Restarting is important because it applies the WinSock reset and completes the network refresh. After Windows starts again, open your browser, make sure your VPN or proxy is still disabled, and visit OpenArt. Log in if necessary, then test the feature that was producing the error 500. In most cases, disabling the VPN or proxy, performing a hard refresh, logging in again, and resetting the Windows network settings can resolve connection-related OpenArt errors. If the problem remains after all of these steps, check whether OpenArt is experiencing a temporary service outage, try a different browser or network, and contact OpenArt support with the exact error message and the steps you have already tried. Avoid repeatedly submitting the same action while the error is occurring, because that may trigger additional security checks. And that's how to fix OpenArt Error 500 on Windows. Start with the simple fixes first, then use the network reset workflow if needed. If this tutorial solved the problem, please like the video, subscribe for more helpful software guides, and share it with anyone else experiencing the same OpenArt error.